the weekend, and I'm back here going to start prepping up for glass. I'm going to be cutting the strips all along the transom, and then probably just going wider, probably up to about 10 inches. I'll probably end with, but that's still a deciding factor. I haven't quite decided yet, but everything looks really good. I just need to scuff up the thickened resin I put in there. It's been past the period you're able to lay up on, so I'm just gonna scuff it up, start prepping out the fiberglass strips, and we're gonna start laying in some glass. It's been a long time coming. I'm very happy that I'm to this point, and then I can start putting this coring material. It's been something I've been kind of dreading a little bit, is doing this coring material, because I don't really want to screw it up, and it's not the easiest task with everything going on. So but yeah, we'll get to it, and we'll finish her up. So let's stay tuned for that, and then we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, so we're all done with the glassing. I got all 4 layers done. There's one little spot that I'm gonna have to grind out. I couldn't get air pockets out of it no matter what I was doing. So I just said I'll get everything around it as best I can, and I'll grind that out, and then I'll glass that in when I do the coring material, because I'm gonna have to go up on the transom when I do the coring material anyways, just to lap it in or stitch it. So it turned out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. And then I'm gonna have to grind down, if you guys can see right here, just a little bit of resin got on it, but I'm gonna be grinding that off anyways. And then when the core material gets here, I'm gonna be tapering everything in, so it's nice. But I have 2 layers down right now of the 1708 on the bottom, but I didn't want to put all 4 because it's gonna make a little bit of a bump for the core material. I don't want that to throw off anything. So, but either way, it's gonna be strong enough right now. So. But I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. So let's give you guys a quick look on how it came out. Turned out pretty good. You guys can see down at the bottom, I left that alone because I didn't really care too much. I tapered it in this way from the bottom in about 1 inch, just so I can tab into it, and the angle is nice and tight, and there's no air bubbles in that. So yeah, you can see how I tabbed it in kind of, but it turned out pretty well. You guys can see my grinding marks from when I had to sand everything back down and adhere everything, but I've gone back over this and I don't see any air bubbles, so I'm pretty happy with it. But you can see right here, the little 1-inch spot, it wouldn't want to come out, so it is what it is. So I'll have to grind it down when I do the core material and make it look all nice and pretty. But it's all part of it. So I was shooting for perfection. It got pretty close to it, so just that little spot. But it is what it is. Hopefully get that core material going once expenses come through. Just try to save up for it. It's getting more expensive as the days go on, just everything that's been going on. So if you guys want to support the channel at all, you guys can come over to Patreon. I have a little account over there, Lindell Adventures. It's pretty much every time I work on the boat, I'm posting over there, so it's a little bit behind the scenes in between the videos. So if you guys want to come over there and support me, that'd be great. And thank you guys for liking, subscribing to my channel. It truly means a lot. It really helps me out. And I will probably see you guys in the next one. Thanks, guys.